Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 10 by 10 gallery wrap canvas. And the colors I'll be using we listed in the description below. But my background is going to be a gray. Now I created the gray with using different paints. I used Amsterdam white, carbon black, and then I also used Van Dyke brown from Arteza to create this gray. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. So I'm laying out my background, blowing it out. And my paints are 1 part Floetrol, 1 part paint, and then I thin to the consistency that I like with water. When you're doing a canvas, it's important to also make sure you coat your sides so it just looks more professional. I tape off my bottom, so my bottom tends to be clean. The first color I'm going to be using is from Nova Color. It's a Fluorescent Magenta. Trying out a different composition. The second color I'm going to be using is a mixture from, was it Atelier paints, free flow paints, and it's a mix of phthalo green and carbon black. Just really wanted a dark green. This color is by Golden. It's yellow oxide. And then I'm using Turquoise Deep from Liquitex. It's a gouache. And my metallic is Pebio's Riche Iridescent, which is my gold. That's my favorite gold. Adding a little bit more of the pink, the turquoise, and a touch of gold to that. Now take that back. That is yellow oxide. Then a touch of gold. Adding my base coat, which is my gray, around the colors. I'll blow the base coat over the colors before I blow them out. Got this mini blower from Amazon, and the attachment I actually got from Etsy. I just like experimenting with different colors as well as different compositions. Don't want all my paintings to look exactly the same. See what happens. Again, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, share, and leave me some feedback. If there's any colors you want me to try or composition you want me to try or just a different type of technique, leave it in the comments below and I'll give it a try. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art.